Want to turn off auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G? Whether you need to install an app from outside the Galaxy store or adjust your phone's security settings, this guide will walk you through the process with clear, beginner-friendly steps. Step 1. First of all, unlock your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. From the home screen, swipe down from the top edge of the display to open the quick settings panel. Tap the settings key gear icon. Alternatively, you can open the app drawer and tap the settings app directly. Step 2. Once you're in settings, scroll through the available options until you find security and privacy. Tap on it to enter Samsung's security management section, where you can control features that help protect your phone from harmful apps and unauthorized changes. Step 3. Inside the security and privacy menu, continue scrolling until you locate auto blocker. Tap on this option to view its settings. You'll see a brief explanation of how auto blocker works and whether it is currently enabled. Step 4. Look for the switch next to auto blocker. If the switch is blue or in the on position, tap it once to turn the feature off. This action tells your phone that you want to disable the extra protection provided by auto blocker. Step 5. For security reasons, Samsung will ask you to verify that you're the device owner. Use your fingerprint, PIN, password, or pattern, whichever you have set up. After successful verification, auto blocker will be disabled immediately, and the new setting will be saved automatically. That's the complete process for disabling auto blocker. We appreciate you watching this tutorial, and we'll see you again in another helpful guide.